welcome to my channel. My name is Nene, and this channel is all about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle for women that are over the age of 35. Before we get started, let me just tell you guys, if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos, right? Don't miss them, girl. So before we get into why I decided to start a YouTube channel, let's get into this little top here. Yep, I want to tell you what I am wearing. This top that I'm wearing, since this is a fashion channel, is like a little cute tube top from Express. Yes, darling. And I think I paid $36 for it. I will link it in the description box just so you can purchase it if you want to. I got the earrings from Express as well. I'm an Express girl, so you'll see a lot of Express hauls on this channel. Yes, you will. And the necklace that I got. The necklace that I got was from Express too. I should have said this is a welcome to YouTube Express haul. Anyway, they also had this in blue. So I'm that girl that if I like it in one color, I'll buy it in another color, honey. Because I'll rock it again. Because it's giving vibes. It's giving summertime cuteness. Okay. So that was a little tad bit of what the type of fashion you have coming towards you. I am very colorful and out and loud, proud. That is what you get from me every time you come to my channel. So anyway, let's move on, guys, to why I decided to start a YouTube channel. I decided to start a YouTube channel because I went out to YouTube and I didn't see anyone reflected of me. Not that many anyway. The woman who is over 35, you know what I mean? We're kind of in the middle. We really are. And it's very difficult to say I want to dress like a 20-year-old, and it's also difficult to say that I'm ready to just look like and dress like someone who is 50, because that isn't me. I'm in between. I'm balancing my look and I'm trying to figure it out, right? So I said, why not start a YouTube channel to fill that void? I felt like it was a void. Also, with the skincare, my skin is changing, honey. I cannot do a skincare routine that a 19-year-old has created for me because my skin is changing as I age. And I need anti-aging products. There will be a totally different video. You're gonna get plenty of that coming to keep my skin looking great as I age, right? Okay, so another reason is because I love to create, I love to inspire, I love to talk, as you can tell, in front of the camera. I love filming videos. I just love putting myself out there. That is what you're gonna get from this channel every single time, guys. Let's move on to a little bit like, you know, more detail of what you're gonna, nitty gritty, y'all, of what you're gonna get on this channel. So I'm going to be doing videos on, you know, what I wore this week. Videos that are business professional, what to wear to work. Business casual, girl-friendly, going out for brunch. What do I need to wear? You know what I mean? That is the type of videos that you're going to get. I will take you along with me on some shopping videos and how I put items together while I'm out. You know, we ready. We about to get it popping on this channel. What else? Also, I do like to travel with my family and my husband and my girlfriends. And I'm here to take you with me. You know, just come along for the ride. Enjoy, buckle up, baby, because I Love Nene is gonna be everything, and I cannot wait to share the first video with you and get us up and running. So I'm going to be uploading videos every Saturday starting off. Every Saturday, 12 noon, you're gonna get a video from me, okay? That is the schedule that I can stick to at this point because I do still work at this point in my YouTube journey. Of course, it's the first video. What do I mean? Lifestyle videos. I am at a point in my life where over 35 is great. It is fabulous. It is finally settled. That's a good word. I'm starting to get settled. I'm starting to get comfortable with my life. I am in a great place with my family, my marriage, my career. So I've been through some things. I can share some things with you when it comes to lifestyle videos. So you're gonna get those too. And that's when you may get those 2 videos out of me a week. Whenever I feel like I have something inspirational to share with you, you're gonna get it. Well, we're gonna have a good time while we're doing this, okay? So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and it really inspired you to click that like button, because that's the only way my channel will grow, you guys. If you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you do. And I'll see you in another video. Bye, y'all. Grab him, pick him up, and close the door so he can't get down here to me. Yes, because I'm not dealing with this. Stop that.